Coming next, it's a video that shows you the simplest way to simplify the algebraic expressions. If that sounds interesting, let's meet after the intro. Welcome to Plain Techniques. If it's for the first time you're visiting my channel, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and you enable the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first one to see it. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to simplify an algebraic expression. All right, so we're going to start with this one that you see here. So it's 3x plus y plus 4 plus 6y minus 1 plus 10x. So this expression, what we are trying to do here is to group the like terms. See, the like terms are the ones that contain or have the same variable. All right, yeah. So for an example, 3x, which one has a variable x here? It's 10x. That is why I wrote them with the red ink. Okay, now y, which one has y, which term has y here? So it's 6y. That is why I've written them with a different color from x, which is green. All right, so these are the like terms. All right, so the last terms are for or numbers. Any numbers, you group them together. Numbers, you just group them together. All right, now let's begin. So we're going to have 3x plus 10x. All right, and the next one we're going to have y, positive y, which is that one, plus 6y. So what we are trying to do now is just to group them together. So 4, positive 4 minus 1. You understand? Now, what is the answer for the red ink for these ones? So 3x plus 10x is equals to 13x. All right, and then y plus 6y equals to positive 7y. And the last one is 4 minus 1, which is positive 3. This is the simplified answer. Let's hop into the next one. With this one, we are going to multiply every term inside the brackets with this 4. Okay, so it's 4 will multiply y, and 4 again will have to multiply 3. Let's do that. So we have 4 multiplied by y, 4 multiplied by y, plus, is that plus 4 multiplied by 3. All right, now the answer is 4y plus 12. Let's move to the next one. Well, this is the last one. So what I'm going to do here is just to multiply out and remove the brackets. All right, and how do I achieve that? So you take the first term and you multiply everything that is inside these brackets. All right, and the second term will also do the same. All right, we'll multiply each and every term inside these brackets. All right, now how is it going to look like? So we're going to have 3x, and I'm gonna write everything inside that bracket. All right, so remember 3x will multiply everything inside the brackets, so it will be 2x plus 3. All right, and I come and I write the second term. So it's 7, positive 7. Remember, positive 7 again will multiply everything that is inside these brackets. So I'm going to write 2x plus 3. All right, now I can multiply out. This is more like the previous one that we did. Okay, so let's just multiply out. 3x multiplied by 2x, it's 6x squared. All right, So what I did here is the numbers multiply each other and the variables will multiply each other. So when you multiply x and x, the answer will give you x squared. You just add the exponent. When you multiply the powers of the same base, you add the exponent. And 3x multiplied by 3 is equals to 9x, and this one, it's 7 multiplied by 2x would be 14x, and the last one will be 7 multiplied by 3, which is 21. All right, now we can group the like terms. Now if you check, this x squared, we don't have any x squared, so I'm gonna write it here, since when we don't have any other x squared. But then if you check here, we have x and we have another x here, so meaning I can group these two. I'll add them. All right, so when I add, I'll say 9 plus 14, which is equals to 23x, and the last one is just a number. It does not have a friend, so I'm not gonna group it with anything. All right, so this is the final answer. We've reached the conclusion of our lesson today. Thank you for watching till this far. Until next time, cheers.